Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of capillopelvic disproportion due to hydrocephalus. You can see the pregnancy of about 38 weeks, 4 days, almost full-time pregnancy. Capillopelvic disproportion CPD is a term that is used to describe a condition in which baby is too large to come through the mother's pelvis. Now you can see the fetal head and you can see the dilated ventricles causing hydrocephalus. The size and shape of woman's pelvic ovary. The position of the baby often depends on the shape of the mom's pelvis, such as how wide or how deep it is. Large size baby, this can be caused by gestational diabetes and other conditions that cause a baby to be macrosomic, that is, weight is more than 4 to 4.5 grams. 4 to 4.5 kilograms are large for gestational age. LGA, post-term pregnancies, and hydrocephalus, that is fluid in baby's brain that lead to swelling, may also cause capillopelvic disproportion. Now, the causes of capillopelvic disproportion with true CPD, there is mismatch in size between the mother's pelvis and the baby's head. This is either due to baby being especially large or the mother's pelvis being especially small. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity. The medical term for when the fetus is overly large is fetal macrosomia. Then there may be contracted pelvis. The anatomical definition of contracted pelvis is it is a pelvis in which one or more of its diameters is reduced below the normal by 1 or more centimeters. Now the abstract definition, it is a pelvis in which one or more of its diameters is reduced so that it interferes with the normal mechanism of labor. Now you can see the placenta is interiorly attached. Now these are the lower limbs of the fetus, the female fetus. Capillopelvic disproportion is rare according to the American College of Nurse Midwives, ACNM. CPD occurs in about 1 out of 250 pregnancies. If you have been diagnosed with CPD, it doesn't mean that you will have this problem in future deliveries. Now you can see the photo of the fetus. Now the risk factors that causes risk factors and causes of CPD, capillopelvic disproportion, are infertility treatment, maternal obesity, previous cesarean delivery, polyhydramnios, gestational diabetes, post maturity or gestational age over 41 weeks, multiparity, that is, mother has previously been pregnant, age 35 or over, advanced maternal age. Hydrocephalus, hydrocephalus, also called water in the brain, is a condition where there is an abnormal buildup of CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, in the cavities that are ventricles of the brain. The buildup is often caused by an obstruction that prevents proper fluid drainage. Now, the hydrocephalus is caused by an imbalance between how much cerebrospinal fluid is produced and how much is absorbed into the bloodstream. Cerebrospinal fluid is produced by tissue lining the ventricles of the brain. It flows through the ventricles by way of interconnecting channels. Hydrocephalus is a chronic condition. It can be controlled but usually not cured with appropriate early treatment. However, many people with hydrocephalus lead normal lives with few limitations. Hydrocephalus can occur at any age but is most common in infants and adults age over 60. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.